Well, my name's Archie Taichanya, and I'm an event planner, a loving wife, a Christian, and an aspiring mother. It's been 4 years since we started Flamingo, my husband and I, and I have no regrets.
Alex Chanya is my name, and I'm in medicine as a profession, and as a passion, business is my thing. Most of the time your finances are mixing up, your personal finances, your business finances, they're just mixing up. There's no clear system. Okay, so once we sign on a client, then what happens? What's the system after that? You know, we did well on the product, what do you call it, product development, but we were really doing badly on the business development. Yeah? As it were, for lack of a better word, rather, yeah, because we didn't know where to start. We just knew once we get a client, we need to make sure that this is up to this level. We knew if we needed to make it a brand, then there's some things that we need to put in place, and we didn't have as much information as we thought we did, yeah, that time. And I remember just talking to Chris Odonga about the whole thing, and he said, you know what, you guys need our services. You need the services of what we do. I was like, yeah.
He was quite brutal about it.
You know, we'll come like every other entrepreneurs in finance, or rather
any investment.
The money resource
Yeah.
is scarce, so you don't want to spend it on things that don't matter. And I remember we struggled with that. In fact, we brushed this off a number of times before he told us, you come, listen to us.
Yeah.
And if you think there's
value.
There's value, I mean, engage.
Yeah. One of the most important things for me that stood out was having, she was an awesome coach. What's her name? Christine Adana.
Oh, yeah, the one-on-one coach.
Yes, Esther Adana, Christine. Yes. So that was very important for us.
Yeah.
She took time, apart from the classes that we got and everything we learned in class. GBC assigns you to a coach that you meet every once a month or twice if you meet, and those for us were the most important besides the class, because you know you can learn in a group with other people, but then there are things you cannot share with other entrepreneurs because everyone has a different kind of business.
We were experiencing everything we were, I'd say, learning about or struggling with. We were experiencing it in class, we were experiencing it in real life.
Yeah,
so it was very easy for us to connect.
Yeah, so we go through this challenge, and then we come to this class, and then we have a remedy for it.
Yeah.
So we go back and apply, and that for us was really awesome.
We are iTax compliant, or the tax compliant at this point in time.
Yeah.
So we're really happy. I mean, and those are things that came off, you know,
GBC.
going through a painful, real session of telling you, you know what, you're gonna kill your business if you don't look at these things. You're gonna kill this business if you don't put these affairs in order. And also the interactions, you know, you know some things, and I think it's natural for human beings. You might go through issues and you think,
I'm alone.
you know what, this thing is unique to me. In fact, I don't want to share it. But you sit in a class of a couple of people, and they're like, you know what, I'm going through exactly the same thing.
Yeah.
Or, by the way, some time back, I went through that, and this is how I was able to do it.
Yeah.
This is what I was able to put in place. Then you realize, you know what, we're not so different here. We're actually the same people. It's just that because we are in different businesses, or sometimes even the same, it comes, the way it comes might be different, but
Yeah.
the general principle of the problem that you're going through
It's the same.
is the same.
Yeah.
So you're able to share ideas, you're able to, even grow networks.
To be honest, I've had very many opportunities to attend an entrepreneurship training or class, but I don't know whether it's because we know some of the people at GBC, but it's not one of those where you feel I'm done with that, and so I'm not going back. So it's for us, it's a lasting relationship. First, we can recommend anyone. Secondly, they follow up even just. What do I say? Informally, it doesn't. There's no formality in the follow-up. It's a nice relationship. It's a relationship where I know when I'm struggling, I'll pick my phone and call Chris, call Maureen, call Anne if I need something, and I'm not disappointed.